Well, before taking your furry pal on the road, it's important to have all the right dog car accessories.
And here with a look at all of the fast and, wait for it, furious features. Furry.
Or furious.
Yes. For your next road trip is the car girl's Emma Hancock. She joins us now. Emma, good to see you.
Thanks, guys. Furious.
Yeah.
Furious stuff. So
what we're looking at here is kind of like the ultimate. It's a bit of a concept car when it comes to dog owners.
Yeah, so today is about two of my favorite things, cars, dogs, and it's about how to make it pet friendly and safe. So car companies like Nissan are paying attention to this. So this is the Rogue-Dogue. So this is a concept that they've made out of their best-selling Rogue. So they did research. 83% of dog owners feel that it's really important that their dog is comfortable and safe. I agree. So check this out. So again, this is a concept, but inside we've got padded, easy to clean, looks kind of luxurious. We've got heating vents. We've actually got a doggy 360-degree shower, they call it, so that you can get all the underbits.
Oh, come on.
Oh.
Okay,
So you take your dog to the dog park. He or she gets all messy and dirty.
He's all muddy.
And then you can do it for yourself.
Exactly. And then
Careful, that thing might be loaded.
And then, the dryer. If you're going to have a shower, you need a built-in dryer. So you've got the dryer here, and you've got the ramp. So if you've got some of the old guys, they like a ramp. So this is really cool. But this is a concept, so you can't currently buy this right now, although it's wonderful, but I do happen to have one over here that you can buy right now.
Okay.
So this is another wonderful looking, super safe, affordable Nissan Rogue, and we've made it pet friendly with the help of our friends at Petsmart Canada. So
Who's this, by the way, in the passenger seat, Emma?
So this is our model Gus, and he's sitting in what is called a pet booster seat. So these hold pets up to 30 pounds. They're easy to put on the seat, and they're good for dogs that like to drive. So he likes to drive. And then if you've got a...
And apparently loves mugging for the camera, too.
He's super social. And here, if you've got a dog that's over, I'm just going to open the door for a sec. If you've got a dog that's over 30 pounds, get yourself a seatbelt tether. So this just clips right into their harness, and $15 at PetSmart, no reason not to have one. And tags. This is a pet essential. Like, have a tag, it's $15, takes 90 seconds to make it at the PetSmart here. So all the essentials, and then just a few I wanted to show you guys at the back.
I just want to say that's a great idea, because I think a lot of dog owners just throw their dog in the back of the car and think it's fine, but we wear seatbelts. You should look out for your furry friends as well, right?
A lot of dogs get lost on car trips as well. So this is the kind of stuff you can just leave in the car, like water bottles that have an actual bowl, so you don't need a water bowl to bring with you. Cleaning supplies. I mean, this is from a company called Scout's Honor. Really great stuff, all natural. When you buy one of their products, it feeds a rescue pet for an entire day. So this is like a doggy air freshener, so pretty key if you have a dog.
Nice.
Something I want to show you guys is the Thunder shirt. So if you have a dog that doesn't like car rides.
I've heard about these.
Have you?
These work for dogs who don't like thunderstorms as well.
That's why they're called Thunder shirts, but they're also great if your dog gets car sick. So, and they make one for cats as well. So if you travel with your cat, you can get one for a cat as well.
But if you wrap your pet in that, it gives them a sense of security.
Yeah, it applies pressure to them. It has like an 80% success rate, and it has this calming effect on them. So it's just wonderful. And then the ramp. So like the concept has, this is an aluminum ramp, super durable, lots of traction. So if you have a big old dog and he needs to get in the back.
Well, and Boomer, our old dog who lives up the street with my dad these days, he's with us for the week, and I've been carrying him in and out of the car because he's no longer all that agile.
Right.
This is fantastic.
This is amazing. I mean, this makes all the difference between them, like, going on a trip and not going on a trip. And then you just pick it up, and
like
away
you
that.
go.
So there you go.
That's great, because I was saying at my advanced age, I'm thinking about getting that.
Well, I was going to say everyone could, the whole family can use it.
This and a Thunder shirt. Everybody should have their own Thunder shirt.
All right, the car girl's Emma Hancock. Emma, great to see you as always.
Nice to see you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.